Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams to bring you our top 5 picks for the best ones on the market. From capturing unexpected moments to providing crucial evidence in accidents, dash cams have become essential for every driver. In this video, we'll showcase the latest and greatest dash cams, comparing their features, performance, and value for money. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Introducing the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, your compact, reliable eyewitness on the road. This sleek device packs a powerful punch, capturing every detail of your journey in stunning 1080 HD resolution. With its discreet design, the Dashcam Mini 2 seamlessly blends into your car's interior while providing essential features like automatic incident detection and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Equipped with a wide 140-degree field of view, this Dashcam ensures you capture everything happening in front of your vehicle, day or night. Easily access and review footage using the intuitive Garmin Drive app and share important moments with ease. Number 4. Ring Car Cam. Introducing the Ring Car Cam, your trusted companion on the road, offering more than just a dash cam. With its advanced features and intuitive design, the Ring Car Cam provides comprehensive protection and peace of mind for drivers everywhere. Equipped with dual HD cameras, this innovative device captures both the interior and exterior of your vehicle, ensuring you have a complete view in case of any incidents. Its emergency crash assist feature automatically notifies emergency services in the event of a collision, providing rapid response when you need it most. But the Ring Car Cam doesn't stop there. With built-in connectivity, you can easily access and review footage from anywhere using the Ring app, keeping you informed and in control at all times. Number 3. Vantrue E1. Introducing the Vantrue E1, your reliable companion for capturing every moment on the road with clarity and precision. This compact dashcam combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to ensure optimal performance and peace of mind. Equipped with a 4K UHD resolution front camera and a 1080p rear camera, the Vantrue E1 delivers crystal-clear footage of both the road ahead and behind you. Its wide dynamic range and night vision capabilities ensure exceptional image quality in any lighting condition. With loop recording and G-sensor technology, the Vantrue E1 automatically saves and locks footage in the event of a collision, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims. Additionally, its built-in GPS accurately records your driving route and speed, adding an extra layer of security and accountability. Number 2. Nexar Pro. Introducing the Nexar Pro, the ultimate solution for enhancing your driving experience and ensuring safety on the road. With its innovative technology and user-friendly design, the Nexar Pro is more than just a dash cam. It's your personal driving assistant. Equipped with advanced AI algorithms, the Nexar Pro automatically detects and records incidents, providing you with real-time alerts and notifications. Its wide-angle lens captures crisp and clear footage of the road ahead, ensuring that every detail is captured accurately. But the Nexar Pro doesn't stop there. With its built-in GPS and cloud connectivity, you can easily access and share footage from anywhere using the Nexar app. Plus, its compatibility with voice commands and smart devices makes it a seamless addition to your driving routine. Number 1. Nextbase iQ Smart Dash Cam. Introducing the Nextbase iQ Smart Dash Cam, your intelligent companion on the road. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, the iQ Smart Dash Cam revolutionizes the way you capture and interact with your driving experience. Equipped with advanced safety features such as emergency SOS response and Alexa integration, the iQ Smart Dash Cam offers unparalleled peace of mind on every journey. Its high-definition recording capabilities ensure crystal clear footage of every moment, day or night. But what sets the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam apart is its intuitive smartphone app, allowing you to easily review and share footage, access live GPS data, and receive real-time alerts for potential hazards. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam provides unmatched reliability and convenience, making it an essential addition to any vehicle. Stay safe, stay connected, and drive with confidence with the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam by your side.